This flagship device will let you add that little bit of magic to every video that you watch or create. At the foundation of movie magic is our studio-level camera. Mi 11 features a primary 108 megapixel camera, 123 degrees ultra-wide, and tele-macro lenses. Combining these, Mi 11 really lets you shoot like a director. Let's take a look. About something really important to me. Mi 11 is star quality on display. For Mi 11, we have a new resolution. This resolution is called WQHD+, which stands for Wide Quad High Definition. WQHD Plus, simply put, is nearly double the resolution of the typical smartphone display. It is packed with pixels, featuring 515 pixels per inch, making it one of the most detailed displays in the entire world. In practice, this is going to massively increase the individual detail of everything you see, from apps to images. To make the most of this, we've added super resolution. This is upscaling technology, which can up to triple the resolution of videos you see, including those found on YouTube, Netflix, and more. It does this by analyzing and extrapolating video data in real time at the pixel level. With high refresh rates of 120 Hz, paired with an AMOLED panel, this is one of our best displays ever. Not only did we use a higher refresh rate than competitors, we've used a 4-stage adaptive sync. This gives us a variety of refresh rates that automatically adjusts the content, saving battery while offering the best possible image quality. At an amazing 480 Hz, Mi 11 offers the highest touch sampling in the market. For those of you who didn't know, touch sampling is how often Mi 11 detects your touch per second. To give a point of reference, the world's best-selling tablet, the iPad, offers a touch refresh rate of up to 240. And professional drawing pads used by designers typically cap out at 200. What this means for you is that on Mi 11, your strokes and touches are going to be extremely accurately detected. Finally, let's talk about prices. Mi 11 is movie magic, with 108 megapixels that lets you shoot like a director. An A+ rated 120 Hz WQHD Plus display, premium 2-layer anti-glare finish, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The fast and 5G connected Snapdragon 888 and some of the fastest charging speeds available. Stacked against competition, you can see that similar devices cost over €1,000. But for those of you who know us, and of course that includes all of you, you know that we believe in honest prices. So Mi 11 will start at €749 full retail price. For more information, make sure you check your local social media channels. We're working to make Mi 11 available as widely as possible. That is why it's going to be available to a variety of global carriers, such as the following leading carriers and more, with further details to come. Mi 11 will also be available through our many open channel partners soon, as early as February. For those of you who prefer to purchase online, we'll be offering a 0% interest monthly installment plan via mi.com in selected countries. Please stay tuned for more details. And we're so confident in Mi 11, we'll be offering a 2-year warranty free of charge. This is double of what is typically given by other flagships. Furthermore, we'll replace first-time damaged screen glass absolutely free of charge within the first year, so you can use your flagship Mi 11 with more peace of mind. Check out mi.com for availability and conditions. Better display, better processor, better camera, bigger battery, faster charging. Mi 11 is truly worthy of the spotlight. As we said at the start, amazing products at all prices. This is Mi 11, movie magic. Definitely worthy of the spotlight. More details on availability for specific regions will follow shortly, so please stay tuned to your local official social media channels. Now, I have one last piece of very special news for you. We will also be launching an extremely limited special edition of Mi 11 globally. This is the Mi 11 Legend Special Edition. This extremely limited edition is going to be available in extremely limited quantities very soon.